From the trading desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming November 26th Forex session in the euro dollar pair. As you can see, Friday saw significant buying in this pair as we continue to grind higher. Looking out though, looking at the bigger picture, it appears that this is an area that the market has traversed before, and it appears that we are heading back towards the top. That being said, it's quite easy to get long of this pair, but you have to remember that this pair is also going to be driven by headline risk, and quite frankly, it's going to be a barometer as to whether or not people are focusing on the problems in Europe or the problems in the United States. Right now, it appears that they are focusing on the risk-on rally in the U.S. as the stock markets are rising as well. I do firmly believe, though, that we are going to see an attempt at this level. Whether or not we break through is probably a completely different question, and I don't necessarily think that we will. There is a ton of noise just above from previous, which was a descending triangle, and because of that, I don't think we're ready to do that. And in fact, we also have to watch whether or not this is a bit of creative license, but whether or not we didn't just break down some type of triangle. We really didn't get enough of a build on it to kind of go that direction, but we also have a resistance level there. So the next day or so should be interesting to watch. If we manage to stick above the highs for any length of time, then we should make an attempt at 131.50. However, if we turn back around and start falling, or if we make a shooting star for the day or something like that, that lends itself to sell off as well. I also believe that up here we'll see significant resistance and enough to get me to start selling as well on signs of weakness. After all, if we get there next couple sessions, it will be a very parabolic move. Going forward, this is going to be an erratic pair, especially the closer we get to Christmas. Light liquidity can see this pair just rip 500 pips just randomly because there's just no volume in the markets. So the closer we get to Christmas, the more likely it is to be avoided. All things being looking forward though for the session, it does look like we're going to head into this area. Question is, what are we going to do with it?